This video will be your guide on how to set up Yunite on your Discord.
In order to set up Yunite to your Discord, it's pretty simple. You just go to this site right here, then tap on dashboard. After that is that it will lead you to us. It will need you to sign in to your Discord account, and then it will lead you to this portal right here, which you can see you can invite Yunite to one of your servers. So with this servers right here is the options that I can invite the Yunite, but also I don't want it to go in because this server right here are private to me. So yes, also is that this is the process where you can now authorize the Yunite to your Discord. So right here, as you can see, I already have Yunite. So yes, you can now like Yunite. Since Yunite is already here, then you're good to go, and yes, that's all.